Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a fog light bulb on a 2014 GMC Sierra. Start by parking on level ground, turning off the engine, and opening the hood. Remove the splash shield or access panel to reach the back of the fog lamp housing. Disconnect the wiring harness, twist out the old bulb, and securely install the new bulb. Reattach components and test the light before finishing. In this video, I will show how to replace a fog light bulb on a 2014 GMC Sierra. Begin by gathering your tools and the correct bulb size for the vehicle. Remove fasteners on the splash shield or wheel well lining to access the fog lamp housing. Carefully disconnect the wiring connector and rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise. Install the new bulb, reconnect the wiring, and confirm the light function. In this video, I will show how to replace a fog light bulb on a 2014 GMC Sierra. After gaining access, unplug the wiring connector and turn the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it. Handle the new bulb with gloves or a clean cloth and insert it into the socket, ensuring it seats fully. Reconnect the harness, test the fog light from outside the vehicle, and resecure the access panel and any removed clips or fasteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.